If you are looking for something that could literally help you find buried treasure right in your own backyard or local beach, listen up. This is something for you. This is the IKIU Gold and Metal Detector. Now, full disclosure right out of the gate, this product was gifted to me, but as always, my thoughts, reaction, and testing results are 100% my own. Want to see if this thing actually delivers on its promises or if it's just a fancy toy? We are going to put the depth, accuracy, and different modes to the test in just a second. But make sure to stick around until the very end because I'm doing a full unboxing breakdown so that you can see exactly everything that comes with this kit. While you're down there checking out the subscribe button, I've also dropped a link in the description below where you can snag this at a great price right now. Now, my first impressions when picking this up, it is incredibly lightweight. It clocks in at just about 2.26 pounds, which doesn't sound like a big deal until you're swinging it back and forth for 2 hours straight in the hot sun. Now, setup-wise, it was a total breeze. The spiral structure twist locks together, and honestly, it took me less than a minute to assemble without looking at a single tool. Plus, the adjustable stem makes it super easy to transition if you want to share it with family members of different heights. It feels surprisingly sturdy for a detector this light. Now, by the way, if you are watching this over on Amazon and loving the breakdown so far, do me a favor, hit that follow button right on my Amazon storefront page. It helps ensure you never miss my practical real-world testing videos on awesome gear just like this. Now let's talk about the actual brains of the unit. The IKIU is loaded with this advanced DSP chip. Now, if you're not familiar with detector tech, the DSP chip essentially acts like a tiny computer processing the signals from the ground. It gives you a much faster response time and way better discrimination. It features 4 distinct operation modes, including a great notch sensitivity feature. It's one of my favorites, actually. That means if you're hunting in an area littered with old aluminum soda tabs or rusty nails, like the waterfront where I took this metal detector to test it out, you can instruct the detector to literally notch out or ignore those specific lower valued metals. You can also crank the sensitivity up 5 different levels depending on how mineralized your dirt is. Now for the real test, taking it into the field. The IKIU advertises this as a fully waterproof search coil, which makes it perfect for shallow water hunting at the beach or along riverbanks. Now keep in mind the control box at the top is not meant to be fully submerged, but you can confidently hunt through wet grass and shallow surf. In my backyard testing, the depth accuracy was incredibly solid. The DSP chip managed to ping a buried coin a solid 8 inches deep into the soil, cleanly identifying the target category on the large backlit LCD screen. To wrap up my thoughts on this performance, let's look at the pros and cons. It's exceptionally beginner friendly. I love this metal detector because the screen tells you exactly what you need to know without an overwhelming cluttered menu layout. Now, weight distribution, it's spot on. No arm fatigue for me, and discrimination settings worked exactly as intended to help save you from digging out trash. Now, as far as cons go, if you're a seasoned, hardcore professional archaeologist looking for extreme geological scanning, you might find yourself wanting a deep multi-$1,000 target localization mapping unit. But for hobbyists, families, backyard treasure hunters, this strikes an incredible balance of price and performance. As promised, let's see exactly what you get when this arrives at your doorstep. Opening up the box, we have the main IKIU unit. It's the control unit with that crisp, clear LCD display. Next is the waterproof search coil connecting to the lower stem. Here are the modular adjustable aluminum rods that click together securely, and in the bundle is a pair of dedicated headphones so you can easily hear subtle target pitch tones even if you're on a noisy, windy beach. On top of that, you get this great little collapsible shovel that you can use to dig out your treasures and finds. All in all, the IKIU Gold and Metal Detector is a fantastic, highly accurate option that won't break the bank. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and please share it with someone else who's ready to start their metal detecting journey. If you want to pick up one for your next outdoor adventure, click that link down below in the description box to lock in the best current price. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and please share it with someone else who's ready to start their metal detecting journey. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. Check out the link in the description below to buy what you've just seen. Scan the QR code to move on over to my Amazon storefront where you will find carefully curated lists of all my family's favorites. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you've got a question about this product, be sure to leave me a comment. I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.